Hi, this is a deep dive in the local Ada and Canyon County market update, which is the Boise area and surrounding areas. I am going to share my screen so we can take a look at what is happening. So I actually want to look at October over November, because when I look at November, I'm not seeing much happening and much to report to. We keep waiting for prices to go down and inventory to go up, but we're actually not really seeing that yet. We're feeling more of a market shift than what we're seeing. So in October, the average price was $610 here in Ada County for resale, 2.2 months inventory. Now our average price is $622. So we're still in the rise. We are not in a depreciating market yet. And then our inventory is a little lower, 1.9. That's more typical for the winter months. So it's actually showing me it's a really good time to sell right now. You guys, like, nobody's selling and there's still buyers. I mean, if you look at like the range, there's the totals, there's over 1,000 active listings, 349 buyers under contract, and that's how we calculate that inventory. So to be determined for the future, we can see this decline in listings, but also decline in buyers, because some buyers have definitely sidelined, but we're helping a lot because some sellers are more nervous than this is showing. We're helping some buyers get some really great deals, and even some buyers get under contract with contingencies of their home even not sold yet. So a lot of amazing work is happening because it's not such a super seller's market like it was last year. Canyon County, this is October, so 436, 2.4 months inventory. Now we're at 437, 2.2 months inventory. So we saw actually a decrease in price in the summertime because Canyon County got up to 20% appreciation this year. So we definitely saw a little correction in the summertime, but overall, it still has an 8.8% appreciation. The declining buyers, the declining sellers, which is normal. The big question is interest rates, like what's the future? And if interest rates go up, prices are going to go down. And if interest rates go down, then that might cause those like sidelining buyers that are not buying right now to jump back in, and prices could go up. So again, I always just recommend people buy a house when you need to, and buy a house you can afford and own it for a long time. Because what we know is that this appreciation doesn't, and depreciation doesn't go like this, like up and down equally. It goes up and down, but it eventually goes up higher. Even if you looked at going back from 2013 here backwards, we would see a peak in about 07, 06. It would go down, and then we were recovered by about 16. And then here we are. If you bought a house in 2006 and you bought it at the high, I did that. I bought a house for $300,000 in 2006. I thought I was stupid after the prices went down to about 150. I still own that house. I only have a $175,000 mortgage, and we get $23.50 in rent a month. So that's pretty good, right? Major cash flow. That house is worth $600,000 today. So real estate always makes sense if you own it for a long, long time. I always want this to add a lot of value to you and be helpful for you, but I know that this is a very generalized conversation. If you want to have a conversation just about you, your family, your needs, and your house, we're always happy to meet on Zoom or in person, do a market analysis, and help in any way so you can make some informed decisions for your family. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you learned. Let me know what you think. Always happy to help.